Please spread all over the hall. I am going to continuously guide you. Please spread all over the hall. Yes. Over the hall, you will not sit with anybody, and you will take your mirror. In your Agori bag, you would have been given a mirror. I think I will answer your questions after you guys go through. Understand? Because only when you go through, many of the doubts will be cleared. Others, please spread all over the hall. Please spread all over the hall. Take the mirror out in your hand. Just sit with mirror in your hand and closed eyes. I'll give the instruction after the... Yes, okay. Oh, I think still few are missing. So, please understand. First, now drop the mirror. Sit. Make a conscious resolution with integrity and authenticity. Make this declaration. Now, I am complete being. I am going to complete. I declare. Now, I am complete. I'll find the source of incompletion and complete it. I am causing completion to me. All of you understand? Can you just raise your hand and declare? I'll utter the words, you repeat. With integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching, I am declaring, I am complete with my life. I declare, I am embodiment of completion. I will look in and complete all the possible incompletions. And I'll find my actual inner image. Yes. Now please pick up the mirror, and with my integrity, authenticity, and responsibility and enriching, I bless you all. You will all find it. Find the actual inner image and complete with it. Now, please take the mirror. The person whom you are seeing in the mirror is the incomplete half of you. Now, with that incomplete half, means when you created that actual inner image, that child, frightened child, who got divided, who got separated from the Advaitic consciousness, that part is there in the mirror. And I will also request you not to sit with relatives so that you are free to do the process. And have enough space for yourself. Please sit in a comfortable position. Facing the mirror. And you are seeing the incomplete you on the other side. First, bring the incident you are going to relive to your being, to your consciousness now. Bring the past to the present. Look at the mirror. Relive. Please let your eyes be completely centered on the mirror. Relive the past. Bring the past to the present. Connect with the person in the mirror. Look directly into the eyes of the person in the mirror. See that incomplete child, the incomplete half of you in that mirror. Go back to the earliest memory of when you felt the powerlessness. Relive it. Relive. Relive every moment, literally. Statement you realized, you gave it about you, you made about you. Write down that statement. Then go for your tea break. Others sit and continue. Live again and again, you will get the statement.
And Swamiji, I want to know, before I do Swaparnatva on the mirror, could I pen down what I felt and then do it on the mirror?
Yes, you
Maybe
can do
because
that.
that's
You can
giving
do.
more flow.
You can do.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Swamiji.
But with that, live and find the word you gave at the age of 12 when an incident happens.
I could remember all that.
That statement you are able to remember?
Yes.
And with that we will start working. In the next sessions you will find it.
Okay.
Come on, please.
ஒரு பேட்டர்னா இருந்தா ஐ மீன் எதுவுமே ஞாபகம் இல்லை.
மறக்கிறது ஒரு பேட்டர்னா இருக்காது, கன்ஃபியூஷன் பேட்டர்னா இருக்க முடியும். மறதி அப்படிங்கிறது பேட்டர்ன் கிடையாது, கன்ஃபியூஷன் கேன் பி a பேட்டர்ன்.
வெளியேந்து யாராவது உங்களுக்கு இன்புட், அதாவது அப்பா சொல்லி இது மாதிரி
அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லியும் வர சான்ஸ் இருக்கு. அப்ப ஆனா நீங்களே பவர்லெஸ்ஸா ஃபீல் பண்ணிருக்கணும். அப்பா சொல்லும்போது
அது என்கிரேவ் ஆயிடுச்சு சாமி. அதாவது அப்பா சொல்லும்போது
அப்ப நீங்களே பவர்லெஸ்ஸா இருந்தா அந்த மாதிரி ஆகும் சான்ஸ் இருக்கு.
7 வயசுக்கு முன்னாடி
அப்ப you have to relive then. Still you have to find out. Yes. Your whole life, please understand, your whole life, essence of your biography will be that one statement. How many of you cognize it? After you discover that statement, essence of your biography will be that statement. That will be the title of your biography. If you write your biography, that can be the title.
Because of this, I'm not able to trust anyone in my life.
I understand. No, how to work on it, we will see later. You found out, na?
One more thing to verify I want to say is, this morning you said, inauthenticity சொல்லும்போது நீ சொல்றதெல்லாம் பேஸ்லெஸ்ஸா இருக்கு, கொஞ்சம் பொறுனீங்கல்ல. ஐயோ நிறுத்திட்டாங்களே அப்படி.
But the problem is still you complete, you have to wait what to do.
No, that's fine. I'm saying validation.
I understand. See, this statement you discovered can be the statement if you write your autobiography. Because this experience will be repeating again and again and again in your life. Yes.
I always remain double-minded, confused, but I am remembering the incidents. I am not digging it. What happened? I was a little child. I have one elder brother, 1 year elder than me.
No, you need to sit and dig and find that statement. Have you got that statement?
No.
Then please sit. Come on.
Yeah, Swamiji.
One minute. I'll answer her. And then.
I have found several incidents. Most of them are similar, but the very first one, it's like...
have you found that statement you made about you?
It is just, I didn't make it outside, but it is inside felt.
It will always be inside only. You will not be telling outside.
Yeah.
It will be inside only. You found it?
Yes.
That's all. Leave it. Then come on. This side. Yes, go ahead.
முன்னாடி 7 வயசு வரைக்கும் எதுவுமே எனக்கு ஒன்றும் புரியவே
இல்லை. இப்போ ஞாபகம் இருக்கிறத வச்சு வாழ 7 வயசு முன்னாடி இது திறக்கும். So live till then. Come on. This side. No.
Swamiji, though it may be at the age of 12, but I can identify myself.
Yes, you see, that is what. No doubt it is the actual inner image, but you have to get the root when it started. See, the root can repeat. That does
Right.
not mean you can complete it.
Okay.
For the completion process, you have to go to the root incident itself.
So I have to keep
See,
digging.
I tell you honestly, even now if you feel powerless, you will be repeating the same word.
Yes.
You will be repeating the same pattern. But you can't complete with the recent incident. Only when you dig the root, when you utter that statement, you can complete. We will be able to do the next process. That is why. Come on.
Swamiji, I remember the incident, but I am not able to relive it. And I am not sure that is the root pattern only. I remember a
No,
story
you
like
have to relive.
in the
You have to
school, teachers told me if you don't do your homework, we will put you in the tiger well. I remember that incident. I was frightened that I remember only verbally, but I am not able to relive it.
No, you should relive. Relive. Try. You will get it. Come on. Anything else?
And how the mirror can help us, Swamiji? What is the?
Because the mirror will show you the fears you went through.
It will change the faces, ma'am.
I can say that it will give you the change of experience. Many times people see even the change of faces, but it will give you the change of experience.
Okay.
Mirror represents the broken part of you. Come on.
சுவாமிஜி ஒரு 15 சுச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் இது பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஜாட் டவுன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அண்ட் அதுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக ஒரு 5 இன்னர் இமேஜஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கு. பட் சீயிங் த மிரர் ஐ இந்த சுச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஈவன் பிஃபோர் see the mirror I remember it. எனக்கு புதுசாக ஒன்றும் வரல. இதனாலேயே வீட்டில் சண்டை வந்திருக்கு. These are past events.
Now find the oldest incident and the word you told about you. Have you discovered?
அதான் என்னால் ஐம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு டூ இட். திரும்ப இதே இன்சிடென்ட்ஸ் தான் என் கண்ணு முன்னாடி வரதே தவிர nothing new.
Then relive with whatever you found. Start reliving.
Okay, thank you so much.
Say, let me now listen to these few words. Lot of your questions will disappear. Many of you found the actual inner image. Some of you have found conflicting pattern. Conflicting pattern is also a first step of finding the exact inner image, but that is not enough. Even if you found the conflicting pattern, at least pen down that so that I can guide you to the actual inner image. Come on.
I could remember the incident.
Close, mic closer.
Is it okay now?
Mic closer.
Is it okay now?
Yes.
Swamiji, I could remember the incident with exact the feeling which was there inside of me at the age of 6. And
No, did you get the word?
Yes,
Then over.
that
That is
internally
okay.
I have tell to me.
And that is enough.
That-
Then go. You can go. Come on.
Some incident occurred with me, but others' reaction, the panic which others created. I didn't get any statement, but the way others behaved, I cognized. In such situation, we have to behave like this. Then we-
So tell me, that in that cognition, what is the word you told towards you?
Fear came in this sense. I didn't make any statement.
No, there will be a statement. No, you have to really.
Swamiji,
Yes.
I was happy with 8:17 before I started looking in the mirror, and I had about 6 incidences. But with the mirror, I went right to 8:7, and after finding that incident with so much clarity, I realized that the other 6 was even intensified with clarity, and I
Oh, great.
stopped looking further. I don't
Did
know.
you find the statement you made about you?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
That's great. Please pen down.
Swamiji,
Yes.
I could recall some many incidents at the age around 6 to 7.
Yes. Have you found the word you uttered towards you first in the first time of powerlessness?
Words I do not remember, but second.
No, you have to relive then and get the word.
Okay.
Please, next. Come on.
Swamiji, does the experience have to be with someone else?
No, it can be even by your own, on your own. You might have fallen from the floor, from the steps, and even that way it can happen. It does not need necessarily that others should be involved.
My experience was, which I remember and I repeat a lot times throughout my life, is I feel I'm not really a human. It's more like I'm like a sponge, like a fish net is full of hole and bubble in it, and I felt powerless or lifeless. Is that a incompletion?
Yes, that is right. But just have you remembered the word you uttered towards you?
I don't remember the words.
No, you have to remember the statement, and please till then relive.
Swamiji,
Even the word you uttered, I am lifeless, can be the statement.
It's more like a feeling rather than
No,
something I verbally.
That feeling you translated into a word as a lifeless.
Yeah, lifeless or powerless.
Then even that can be.
Swamiji,
Yes.
I remember the full sentence. It's not a word.
Yes, that's what. It will be a statement.
Full statement, full sentence
statement.
I can
Yes, yes.
remember.
Good. Anything else? Yes. Please go ahead.
Swamiji, I cannot pinpoint a incident or a time, but one statement comes very blaringly to me. Is that?
Then that statement, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
You see, sometime you have that statement so many times, so that becomes very clear to you. But the incidents or the memory can be forgotten. Please come. Please come. No, tell me the oldest incident. Oldest means, can you translate to him? When he was youngest, that incident and the statement he made about him. I think, then I think you should live again now and find that statement. Relive again. Complete with yourself again. Do it again.
Yes, last night I had a strong memory feeling. And so something came out of me just before. And so it almost feels like I'm not sure whether I made it up, but I have the feeling and the statement.
No, have you given the statement to you in the young age during the incident?
Excuse me?
In the young age, during the powerless feeling, have you given the statement to you?
I put down a statement.
Okay, then okay. Come on.
स्वामी जी नमस्कार।
Please, go
स्वामी
ahead,
जी
go ahead,
नमस्कार।
go ahead.
मुझे अभी तक याद ही नहीं आ रहा है कि जिस समय ऐसा कोई घटना घटी उस समय क्या
Ma, can you, you directly speak in mic. Let him speak to you.
क्या बोलना है आपको?
मेरे को वो घटना की उस समय क्या वाक्य का कुछ भी याद ही नहीं आ रहा है।
He's saying that he doesn't remember anything about that incident.
Even between 7 to 14.
7 साल और 14 साल की उम्र में भी आपको कुछ याद नहीं है? No, स्वामी जी।
Oh God, that cannot be.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, स्वामी जी कह रहे हैं।
All right, let him go to any recent incident he remembers that he feels powerless.
अभी के जीवन में आपको जो भी याद है उसको आप याद करिए। जो पहले का है याद नहीं है, जो सबसे पहले आपको याद आता है अभी के जीवन में, उसको याद करके उस पे काम
From that what he felt, let him pen down.
अभी आपके अंदर जो अपूर्णत्व है, जो भी शक्तिहीन क्षण हैं आपके जीवन में, उनको याद करिए और उसमें से आप अपने लिए क्या समझते हैं, क्या सोचते हैं, वो एक वाक्य बनाइए। आपके अंदर छवि क्या है उस अभी की रीसेंट घटनाओं में से, वो सोचिए। पुराना याद नहीं आ रहा है तो अभी की स्थिति में आपको याद करना है।
ताज़ा स्थिति में करूँ क्या?
कर लीजिए।
Yes, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you,
Please.
Swamiji.
Yes, thank you. Please go ahead.
Now going back, I can relate to a similar statement made at the age of 6.
Do you remember anything earlier than 6?
No, Swamiji.
Okay. That you remember the age of 6.
Perfectly.
You get that similar statement?
Perfectly.
And pen down that. That's enough.